Up until now, we've always used verbs with a subject. Ha-mi, chunnakiat, except when giving orders or instructions. Foscail and Doris, gav good the live chli. But Gaelic is a form of the verb to be, ha, va, which doesn't need a subject. Instead of saying ha dúne or ha iat, we can say hahar. Hahar a géisteach. People are listening. Hahar a gra gevil porstath dúnse. They are saying, or it's being said, that the airport is shut. And in the past tense, Bhathar a gieri gnaharichuch in rialtas and loch. They were wanting the government to change the law. In this impersonal mode, all the forms of the verb change in the same way. So instead of the question, a vil, we can say a villar. Instead of an raw, an roer. An roer a gieri aharich and more. Were they wanting big changes? And chanil becomes chaniller. Chara, charoer. Charoer a gieri ach aharich and bicke, they only wanted small changes.